Hello students, now we have to find the solution of question number 7, that is taken from exercise number 6.4 from our 6th chapter, that is differential equation. Here the given differential equation is the homogeneous differential equation, that is x into dy by dx minus y plus x into sine of y by x is the homogeneous differential equation. Since the degrees of each and every term of the given differential equation are equal, then we can say that the given differential equation is the homogeneous differential equation. Okay, let us find y, and since we know that if the differential equation is homogeneous differential equation, we have to substitute y is equal to v into x or x is equal to v into y. Okay, and after that we have to find dy by dx in the form of dv by dx and dx upon dy in the form of dv by dy. Okay, clear? Okay, so y is equal to vx, so v into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus x into derivative of v with respect to x is dv by dx. So we have dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, so in this way we transform dy by dx in the form of dv by dx. Okay, you can change x in the form of v and y, so after that you have to take dx upon dy and dx upon dy in the form of dv upon dy. Okay, you are free to substitute any one substitution. Okay, here we change dy by dx in the form of dv by dx. Okay, let us let us substitute the changing in the given differential equation. So first of all we have to make dy by dx. यहाँ पे dy by dx is present, so write x into dy by dx as v plus x dv by dx. dy by dx can be converted in the form of v plus x dv by dx minus y, and since y is equal to vx, so y can be changed as v into x plus x into sine of y by x, and y by x is equal to v is equal to 0. Okay, since y is equal to vx, then y by x is equal to v, and here y by x is equal to v. So vx, on opening this bracket we have v into x plus x square into dv by dx, v into x plus x into x square minus v into x plus x into sine of v is equal to 0. v into x get cancelled out with each other. We have x square dv by dx plus x into sine of v is equal to 0. So let us transform the second term to the right hand side. We have x square into dv by dx is equal to minus x into sine of v. X square and x get cancelled. We have x upon dx is equal to minus sine of v upon dv. Okay, x square and x get cancelled, single x is remaining, so x upon dx is equal to minus sine v upon dv. dv should be present, means using variable separable form, dv should adjusted with the function of v and dx should be adjusted with the functions of x. Okay, On inverting the given equal fractions, since dx and dv are present in denominator, so inverting, that is dx upon x is equal to minus dv upon sine of v. Okay, dx or dv are present in denominator, so we have to inverting the given this equal fraction, we get dx upon x is equal to minus dv upon sine of v. So taking integral of both the sides, we have 1 upon sine of v or dv, and this is log of mod of x is equal to minus, this is cosec of v dv, and this one is minus. Okay, 1 upon sine, that is reciprocal of sine is cosec. So integral of cosec of v, and we know that integral of cosec of v is equal to log of mod of cosec of v minus cot of v plus c. Clear? Minus integral of cosec of v. Cosec of v is log of cosec of v minus cot of v plus c. Clear? And when we take this right hand side terms to the left hand side, becomes log of mod of x plus minus goes to left hand side of the equal, becomes positive, log of cosec of v minus cot of v is equal to c. And we know that log of m plus log of n is equal to log of m into n, that is log of x into n. N means cosec of v minus cot of v is equal to c. This one is our log of x to the base e. Okay, clear? Any doubt यहाँ तक? So log of m plus log of n is equal to log of m into n. Okay, so using the definition of logarithm, that is log of x to the base e is equal to a, then using definition of logarithms, we can write this equation, that is since log of x to the base e is equal to a, that is logarithmic form, then x is equal to e to the power a, then x is equal to e to the power a. This form is known as the logarithmic form, and this is known as a exponential form, or you can say definition of logarithm. If log of x to the base e, log of x to the base e is equal to a, then x is equal to e to the power a. Same story यहाँ पर भी है, log of x, ये पूरा का पूरा x है, to the base e is equal to c, then x is equal to इतना is equal to means x into cosec of v minus cot of v is equal to e to the power c. Base is e to the power c, and since c is our arbitrary or integral constant, then e to the power c is also constant c. Then x into cos of v means 1 upon sine of v minus cos of v upon sine of v is equal to c. x into, देखो यहाँ आंसर इज रिटन एज x into 1 minus cos of v. So x into 1 minus cos of v upon sine of v is equal to c. Sin v and sin v are same denominator, so taking LCM of sin v and sin v is sin of v. So we have x into 1 minus cos of v is equal to c into sin of v, and on putting the value of v, that is y by x is equal to c into sin of y by x. So this one is our answer and matching with this one is multiplied by C. So this one is our answer, matching with our answer of textbook. New syllabus. Answer is x into 1 minus cos of y by x is equal to sine of y by x into C. Okay, students, any doubt? बोलिए. Clear? Okay. Question number 9 is y square minus x square dy by dx is equal to xy into dy by dx. Here derivative terms means first order derivative dy by dx is written twice. Okay, so let us collect these derivative terms as y square is equal to xy dy by dx plus x square dy by dx. Correct? And taking dy by dx as a common, we have xy plus x square. Okay? Then dy by dx is equal to y square upon xy plus x square. Okay? This one is dy by dx is equal to y square upon xy plus x square. Okay, and since this differential equation, the given differential equation is the homogeneous differential equation, since the degrees of these terms, that is first term degree 2, second term degree 2, third term x to the power 1 and y to the power 1 means powers of the variables. There are two variables in this term, that is x and y, and both having index 1 and 1. Adding 1 and 1 we get 2. So degrees of these terms are same. So we can say the given differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation. So for that we have to put y is equal to v into x. Taking derivative of both the sides with respect to x is equal to v into 1 plus x into dv by dx, and dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Okay, dv by dx. So let us convert the dy by dx in the form of dv by dx. And since dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx, this one is equal to dy by dx. And y squared, y is equal to vx as assumed by us. So y is v square into x square. Y is equal to vx, then y square is equal to v square upon x square. Okay, xy means x into y is vx plus x square, and this one is equal to v square into x square upon v into x, x square plus x square. Okay, clear? Any doubt? So v square into x square, taking x square as a common, we have v plus 1 x square and x square get cancelled. We have v square upon v plus 1, and left hand side the v plus x into dv by dx. So x into dv by dx is equal to. Okay, any doubt? So transform v to the right hand side, v square upon v plus 1 minus v, and v can be written as v upon 1. On cross multiplication, v square into 1 v square, v into 1 v square minus into plus minus v upon v plus 1. Okay, our left hand side x dv by dx, and v square and v square get cancelled. We have x into dv by dx is equal to minus v upon v plus 1, minus v upon v plus 1. Okay, then we have to transform, we have to send dv with the functions of dv, okay, and dx with x. Using variable separable form, we have written x dx upon minus v upon v plus 1 into 1 upon dv. dv goes to right hand side, becomes reciprocal of dv, that is 1 upon dv, and since dx and dv are presented in denominator of the given two equal fractions, so we can invert these two equal fractions. We have dx upon x is equal to minus v plus 1 upon v और ये रहा dv. Taking integral of both the sides 1 upon x, dx is equal to minus integral of v plus 1 upon v dv, and this one is equal to minus v upon v dv plus into minus minus 1 upon v dv. v and v get cancelled, minus 1 dv minus 1 upon v dv, और यहाँ पे क्या है 1 upon x dx. ओके, क्लियर, सो इजी. हाँ, कुछ भी दिक्कत नहीं होना चाहिए. तो 1 upon x इज log of mod of x is equal to minus v. Integral of 1 with respect to v is minus v minus log of mod of v plus c. Integral of 1 upon v with respect to v is log of v. Okay, 1 upon v, integral of 1 upon v, that is log of v plus c. So taking the terms of logarithms, we have log of mod of x plus log of v is equal to minus v plus c. Minus log goes to left hand side of the equal, becomes positive, so plus log of v, and log of m plus log of n. Log of m plus log of n is equal to log of m into n. So log of m means x into v is equal to minus v plus c. Okay, this one is e. So log of x, v means y by x is equal to minus v plus c. This one is equal to x and x get cancelled, log of y is equal to minus v plus c. So log of y, log of mod of y plus v is equal to c. You can write it as log of y plus y by x is equal to c. Please compare with your answer of textbook. V means y by x, log of y, log of mod of y, log of y, you can write log of y plus v means y by x is equal to c. Okay, so this is the answer of your question number 9. Okay, then question number 10 is stated as x into y of dy by dx is equal to x square plus 2y square. If y1, that is x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 0, we have to find the particular solution of this homogeneous differential equation. This one is homogeneous differential equation since the degrees of all terms of the given differential equation are equal. The degree of this term is 2, the degree of this term is 2, the degree of this term is 2. So this one is the homogeneous differential equation. So since we have to put for this type of differential equation y is equal to vx or x is equal to v into y. So here we have given dy by dx, so we have to take the derivative of both the sides of y is equal to vx with respect to x. We get dy by dx into v into 1 plus x into dv by dx, and dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Let us change the substitution in the given homogeneous differential equation. So x y into dy by dx, we have to write v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square plus 2 into y square means v square x square. Y means vx, then y square is v square x square. Here xy, वी एक्स सॉरी यहाँ पे रखना है y इज वी एक्स, तो v एंड v स्क्वायर x इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर, v इंटू वी स्क्वायर x इंटू एक्स इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वी एक्स क्यूब v x square into v is single, x square into x, that is x cube, dv by dx is equal to x square plus 2v square x square. Okay, clear? x square and 2y square मतलब v square x square, correct? देखो v स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर 2v स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर, एक सिंगल v स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर गेट कैंसिल्ड एंड रिमेनिंग टर्म्स इज v एक्स क्यूब और dv बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस v स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर. ओके v एक्स क्यूब v एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स, that is v x cube dv by dx, and v square x square minus 2v square x square, that is 2v square x square minus this is plus becomes negative, so remaining is v square x square. Then x square is common, we have 1 plus v square and v into x cube dv by dx, x cube and x square get cancelled, the single x is remaining, that is vx dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square and dv should be present, should be adjusted with the functions of v, that is variable separable form, using variable separable form. So x upon dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon v into dv, v into dv, v into dv, v into dv, a और a, x square x cube, x is remaining, x upon dx, and inverting the given equal fraction we get dx upon x and taking integration of both the sides v dv upon 1 plus v square, and this one is log of x, log of mod of x, and since derivative of 1 is 0, but derivative of v square with respect to v is 2v, so on adjusting by 2 means multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2, we have 2v dv is the derivative of, means if we get 1 plus v square, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of v square is 2v dv, okay. So 2v is the derivative of 1 plus v square, means we use integral of f dash x upon f of x dx, that is numerator is the derivative of denominator, then the integral of that fraction is log of mod of f of x, that is log of denominator, so 1 by 2 log of 1 plus v square plus c, and log of mod of x is equal to log of under root of 1 plus v square plus log of c. Since n into log of m is equal to log of m to the power n, our n is 1 by 2, n is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is the index form and under root of 1 plus v square is the radicand form. So this can be written as log of m plus log of n, log of m into n under root of 1 plus v square into c, and we know that log of a is equal to log of b, then a is equal to v, means x is equal to under root of 1 plus v square into c. So on squaring both the sides, we have x square is equal to 1 plus v square into c, and x square is equal to 1 plus y square upon x square into c square, and we know that c square is also an integral, also the integration constant or arbitrary constant. We can write it as x to the power 4 plus is equal to x square plus y square is equal to into c. X square into x square, x to the power 4, and since x is equal to 1 or y equal to 0 into c, so c is equal to 1 upon 1. So answer of this differential equation, that is particular solution, is x to the power 4 is equal to x square plus y square. Okay, this is our answer, particular solution. C can be converted by 1. C can be changed as 1. We get x to the power 4 is equal to x square plus y square. You can write it as x square minus 1 is equal to y square also. Please matching with your answer of your textbook. Okay, clear? So x square taking as a common x square minus 1 is equal to y square. Okay, please make a note. Any doubt, students? Okay.